Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z9894B. 67,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, blue velvet metallic in color. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional power outlet, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, powered driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and height adjustable power liftgate. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.